Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Miss Cecee. So judging by the title, I know you guys can see it. Girl, we got some new. Alright. Some of these products you have heard many reviews about. Little old me, little YouTuber. I ain't gonna give you no unbiased opinion. I'm gonna give you the tea, nothing but the tea. If you willing to sip with me, just keep on watching. So, bare skin it is, no brows done, no nothing. The only thing I done this morning was cleanse my face, I exfoliated, and I shaved. I'm taking the proper precautions because the things I have in front of me are claimed to be matte. So prepping my skin first, I did use the Dermalogica. Now I'm using a special cleansing gel to wash my face with, and I'm using the daily Microfoliant every day. Has been my go-to, regardless if I shaved or not. Now, this is a rice powder. We brighten up your skin with salicylic acid, like an acne-prone treatment ingredient. This is special cleanser. It does have a little bit of balm mint inside and lavender, which explains the little tingling that I do experience whenever I wash my face. Now, it does not lather like a soap because it is a soap-free foaming gel. It does not burn your eyes. I wash all up in there because I get really greasy on my eyelids. I don't know about you guys, but my eyelids are greasy. It's just like a T-zone area. But the fluid ounces that you get in a special cleansing gel for the mini size is 1.7. In the daily Microfoliant is 0.45 ounces. I will leave the prices down below. Everything I am using down below in the description box. Alright. Another thing I have been using lately, and I've really been enjoying because it does feel good on the skin. It's not heavy at all. Perfect protection when it comes to the SPF. It is by Lancome. It's not a mini size. This is the actual thing here, and it is a little pricey. This is the UV Expert Aquagel Defense and Sunscreen 50 all day primer and moisturizer, and I'll be using this on top of it, which is the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly Anti-Pollution. This is actually just the jelly. This is not the cartridge. But I did purchase the whole thing, and it does come with the full size here. It came with 2 of these travel sizes. Move on to our moisturizer on a Lancome. I'm just going to take a small amount on my fingers here. Does it look just like a moisturizer. Doesn't leave you ashy. Doesn't give you a purple cast or anything like that. Something that us brown girls do not like. It feels so good and it smells nice. And you know Lancome is pretty bougie. I mean, look at the packaging, print of the rose and the writing and stuff. Let's move on to the Clinique because this is very jelly. So I'm just going to put this amount on there. I'm not going to like swipe. I'm just going to actually pat. Fragrance free. So now that it's in there and it's dried down a little bit, let's move on to the fun part. Da, 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 da. Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. This is in the shade 60WO. This particular shade says Warm Master Tone, Orange Undertone, Medium Dark Shade Intensity, 60WO. Warm Orange. If I could work with Fenty 390, I know I can work with this. Claims flexible, breathable, real skin matte finish, medium buildable coverage, does not transfer, minimize the appearance of pores, stay true to color, waterproof, vegan formula, does not contain any animal derived ingredients or byproducts. We are going to get the tea, girl. So this is what it looks like. Pump. Very nice and sleek. Nice packaging. Hard plastic. Not like if you drop it, it's going to burst. Really like that. And it's very tall. Look how slim that is. The weightless liquid foundation, and it's supposed to last up to 24 hours. But I will not be testing it for 24 hours. It is now currently 10:22. As the shade is looking inside the package, it does look a little lighter, but see how I feel about this. I'm just going to pump it on my little tray that I normally use for foundation reviews. So as you see, we have a nice clean tray. I'm going to do 2 pumps, okay? Oh, is that all? More. I'm going to try it on end part here. Oh, okay, that's 1 pump. Okay, that's 2. Okay, not say about shaking it well before use. Alright, so here we go. And so far, I see the orange. It looked like it is oxidizing. What do you guys think? actually do that little part that I done on my face, it feels thick. I mean, that just could be me. So let's see how I feel about it blending into the skin. Girl. Okay, let's not fret. Just off the bat of my first impressions, like right now with this layer that I have on, which was like what, 3.5 pumps, it does remind me of the Fenty Beauty. If I really had to compare it to a drugstore brand, I probably would compare it to the Can't Stop Won't Stop. That's why I like mixing it up with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, because my Pro Glow is more of a hydrating foundation. It's not hard, it doesn't feel heavy, it feels soft. 50 shades. I mean, you may be able to find your perfect shade, but for me, I am getting bronzy. It's summertime, so it may just look a little orange, just like my Fenty. But I'm not knocking it because it looks good. It does not give me as much coverage as I would like, because I'm like a full beat like coverage girl. But it's still giving me the same coverage as my Fenty Beauty. There you have it. Now, buildable, we are going to see what is up. So I'm going to shake it this time so I can get all of the ingredients mixed together. I'm just going to do one more pump, nothing more. Take my finger and do exactly as I would normally do as during the first layer of foundation. And let's see about the coverage. Now, I'm actually feeling a little tingle, like right there on my pimple. So let's see if it has salicylic acid inside. Because normally when I feel a little tingle, it may have the same ingredient as an acne treatment product would. It does have the dimethicone, alcohol, does have silica inside. So do not go out there getting a lighter shade that you know you're not supposed to have. That silica will give you flashback. Okay, I do not see anything about salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid. I hope it does not break me out. I used a razor on my face and I just shaved. It just could be that, but it's not supposed to be tingling. Did I not shave right there? Not too bad. Let me do my little 5X. I see right now this foundation is a little heavier in creases. So up at personal, it is a little creasy right here. Now around my mouth and my nose area, if by any chance I were to wear this foundation, say 4 or 5 hours, will it enhance those creases around my nose area and here? Probably so. But the overall look of the foundation do not look heavy to me on my skin. It does look like I have built it up. I'm not actually seeing like dry spots. I mean, I'm not saying that it's going to be a problem if you do not moisturize your skin and you do have pimples or any kind of texture in your skin that is like very prominent. Then it probably would be a little cakey. The part with people saying that you do not need to set and it's like transfer proof, BIM, just a little bit. Just a little bit. I mean, that was a huge claim about being transfer proof, because I feel like this. Once you put powder and everything on, it's going to transfer any dang on way, because the powder is going to transfer on whatever you transferring it to. So, I mean, y'all, I'm liking the foundation. I ain't gonna lie. The shade is more summertime, of course, so I would need a lighter shade during the winter, because look at there. Yeah, girl. This is not new, it's old. I did not get the Naked concealer that came out with that collection because I need to use this one up. And this is in a shade medium dark warm. Do you guys want a comparison? The old Naked to the new Naked concealer? Holla at me down below. Or better yet, give me a like on this video if you want to see that comparison. Nothing wrong with building it up too, girl. So I did pick out a mirror set with some tweezers from TJ Maxx. And guys, I only paid $4 for this. Oh, wow. I like that. That is cute. So the tweezers, you get the sharp side tweezer and then you get the flat for $4.90. Well, for $3.99. I thought that was a really good deal. Alrighty. Here you go, another new. The Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Complexion Powder. Alright. I got the shade Butterscotch. Now, this is actually my conceal shade. Multi-use sculpting concealer, and I just spot conceal. So, just actual normal packaging. It's on the other side, which is the coconut water, alpine rose, hyaluronic acid, and all of the claims right there. Here you got the normal packaging Too Faced. On the back side, it does tell you what it is. The multi-use complexion powder, shade Butterscotch, and your powder puff. Open up just like a compact with the mirror and everything. Go ahead and set her up. I'm going to be using the Peach Perfect Translucent powder today. And then we're going to go on and see what that Butterscotch looks like on the rest of the face. I'm going to move in with the Morphe E58. You know, I would think that it would have a smell, but it doesn't have a smell. No, don't have a scent. Ooh. I like this powder because it doesn't seem like I'm getting a lot. Very lightweight. Rip off the bat. I like it. It does smooth out the skin a little bit more. It really does. It reminds me of my Sephora Micro Smooth. I could be reaching. Of course, I still have texture, but she is very smoothing. I do want to spray my face because it do feel a little tight now that I got all these matte products on me. I'm going ahead and do my bronzer and finish off the rest of my face off camera because I do not have anything else new. I'll be right back and we're going to talk about it a little bit more and then we're going to go on with our wear test. Okay, so this is awful. My eyes came out so ratchet that I can really just wipe the whole damn thing off and do them over. That's thunder if y'all hear it because it's really, really raining outside. I've been wearing this now for what, 2 hours? Look good. I mean, no complaints here. 12:22. I was thinking maybe I can go outside and enjoy the sun. But I don't know, girl. It's like thundering cats and dogs and stuff out there, you know. Let me give you a close-up. This is what the foundation is looking like now. Now let me get my little mirror. It still look good. No, don't look bad. That's a piece of hair. Never mind that hair. Well, right here, it kind of like broke up. I can make excuses for that, but I'm not. I'm just going to take the foundation as it is. It's going to be a first impression. It's going to be a first impression, right? Right. Around the mouth area, it looks good. So let me sit up straight so you can see. I think for the formula being the weightless, I'm not even gonna lie, it feels like I got some on now that it done settled to the skin and I done sprayed and everything with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist like I always do. Don't feel as tight though. I just feel like I got something on my skin. It could be weightless if I didn't have so many powders. I don't know. But the way I feel right now, it looks good. I've been waiting for 2 hours. 7 o'clock is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 hours. Alright. See you in a little bit. 8:33. And yeah. That's Coach. My love. So we have been wearing it since 10:22. That's 9 hours. This is what we're looking like from afar. Now I am going to pull you guys close. Never mind the shadows. Like I said, it's a piece of crap day on the shadows. But you know. Let me pull you close. Hi. This is what we got. Got some oils up in here. Got a lot of oils up in the T-zone area as I stressed earlier. But around here, like I thought it would. Let me get my little compact mirror. Didn't crease up as bad. I thought it would be, but it didn't. The nose area. See? Foundation is pretty much done separated. That's gone in the inside. Right up in there. I mean, you guys can see that. It's not a bad oil at all. It just look like it's a little dewy. You know, it don't look bad like, oh my, you just spilling. Girl, no, it don't. Oh, and the lip combo is the NYX Burgundy. This is the lip liner and Bite Beauty in the shade Shy. I mean, 9 hours of wear. Even the primer still look damn good. But their products, I stand. Lancome Tint Idol Foundation, I stand for it, and it makes me oily. It's not all that matte to me. But by Fenty even bring my oils out. Even the Born This Way multi-use sculpting, the complexion powder is a win for me. I love this shade. Guys, look at this shade. It matches me well. I think our products that I use today kind of complemented each other. But I was actually thinking that it would maybe too orange, too cool. So it was going to pull neutral with my golden undertone. But it didn't. It looks good. I can't say they did a good job, especially with the shade range. Guys, I really enjoyed making this tutorial, and like I said, please give me a like on this video if you want me to compare the two, because I do got that Naked Skin Girl and I got plenty of more product in here. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, please do. I appreciate you guys' ideas, so yeah, please leave them down in the comment section. If you're not already following me on Instagram, what are you waiting for? Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Love you, and see you on my next one. Honey, where'd the eyeshadow go? Just, where did you go? I've had it.